Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel, and this is my first YouTube video. Since super init na ngayon, share ko lang experience and thoughts ko sa bagong nabiling air circulator. Last week, nasira yung 3-year-old Emerflex electric fan namin. Twice na siyang napaayos sa Emerflex Service Center, but siguro time na din niya kaya I decided to buy a new fan. I googled and checked out YouTube to explore and to list of best fans in the Philippines and came across the brand Vornado. However, upon searching its availability, sold out na yung preferred model sa lahat ng Philippine online stores. Not unless I'm willing to buy it outside the country. But with the current situation, medyo hesitant ako. But since nag-open na yung mall na malapit dito, I decided to check on the available fan at Handyman and saw this cute and small air circulator with the brand Air Monster and bought the 8 inches model. As shown in the box, it is 8 inches air circulator, powerful air delivery, 100% copper, high durability motor, no tools required, and simple assembly. On the right side of the box, it says it has 3 speed settings. It can be wall-mounted, extreme high velocity, adjustable angle, built-in handle, easy to clean, and no tools required. It has an ICC seal, 220 volts with 40 watts. Pagbukas mo ng box, you will get the item itself. A manual, and screws for the wall mount. Ngayon, tingnan natin yung product. It's matte black, very small. It has specification on the lower right. Also very handy, well designed and safe since maliit lang yung butas niya. Actual measurement is 11 inches by 10 inches. Nandito yung knob niya with 3 speed settings. Nandito rin yung slot niya for the handle, and mahaba naman yung cord niya with 170 centimeters with a regular plug. And dito yung slots niya for the screw if you want to mount it on the wall. It is adjustable angle up to 90 degrees. And for cleaning, you will just remove the screw over here. And remove the front cover. Now, let's see its performance. Nagamit na namin itong product for a week, and we can say na nasatisfy naman niya yung claims niya. It really looks so small, but it can match a regular fan. Since air circulator siya, na-maximize niya yung lamig from the aircon. Compared to the old fan, mas mabilis niyang napapalamig ang 10 square meter bedroom. We only use speed 1 since it's like speed 2 on a regular fan. However, it's really noisy, but we already got used to it. To show you a sample, we recorded the noise through the dB meter app para ma-measure yung noise. For complete silence, it's around 50 decibel. For speed 1, it's around 80 decibel. speed 2, around 83 decibel. For speed 3, around 86 decibel. By the way, kahit ilang hours na siya naka-on, hindi siya palaging umiinit. Like if ever uminit siya, slight lang at nawawala rin eventually. So that's all for today. I hope this video helps you in some way. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video. Bye bye!